generate Excel reports in the PDF format and send from Excel email list. So we have Excel data and report. We create each report saved in a PDF and send each report for respective person based on the email list in the Excel file. So this is the email, this is the attachment. So let's see, we will do this automation through Excel macro. So in our folder, we have one file for sample report. Let's open this one. So in the sample report, we have two tabs, report and data. So in the data tab, we have some product names, for example, month, monthly data, region, and say sales value. We will generate report for each region, east, north, south, west. So in the report, this is actually we design this report, sample report. You can design your own report, and based on this region, say south, this is now south region report. So we have some calculations here from the based on the data tab value, and based on this um, data, these charts are created. A sample report we design here, and this chart is for south monthly. If you change region south to north, so this is north region report, and data as per the calculation report will be changed. So we will create report for each region, save this report, left hand report, and save in the PDF and send to each recipient. So this is actually this is our macro file. Let's see. We keep data file and report file and macro file separate. So here first we need to provide the source file path. So our source is, this is our source file, the data. So we take the source file path. So select, shift right click, copy as path, paste in this cell C3, and output folder path means the output, the PDF report will be saved here. So this is our output folder. So to get this folder path, actually we just go a step back, and this is my folder. So select, shift right click, copy as path, and paste in the cell C4. Here are the things to remember. So this is our, so if you see the instructions, source path, output folder path. So this is our report category, means we are generating report for each region. You may have your own things when you design your report. So here we are generating reports for each region, east, west, north, south. And when we run the macro will place this name, for example, east, west. So macro will place this name in this cell. In the report, for report tab, cell N7 automatically place one name after another name, north, south, east, west. Then they will change and accordingly change the report. So here we see your report category list. Here this is the table, Excel table, report name. The report item is the my Excel table, and here we can extend it. In our example, we put cell C10 to C14, but you can extend if you need more. Macro will place each item, each name in the sample file, report sheet cell N7. So macro will place region name one after another here and generate the reports for each region. And also you need to maintain this email list table. So this is the Excel table. You need to maintain same order, the name, persons receiving the email ID of this person, and which report actually we are sending. So Alex will get East report, this person get west, this person get north, and this person get south report. So this is our report. So we close this file, and also just before running the macro, we show you the what the report. For example, this is east, west, north, south. So what's actually report look like when, so they make the PDF, the selected area, print area, so they make copy and make is a PDF file. So for each region they create the PDF file. So now we remove this report. So macro will now generate the report for us and send the report. I just show you the time a few moments ago run the report. So macro will generate and send the report to the respective person, like the name, respective report, and other things are there. So now let's see, run it again, hit the macro to generate reports and send email directly based on this email ID. Macro will placing one name, a region name, another. So PDF generated and emailed successfully. So if we check our email again, so this is just now our email generated for each, for region and for person, send it directly to the recipients. For example, same this name and South Tanya got South report, so we can check it here. So Tanya got the South report, so accordingly other person also get the respective report, and the reports are again saved in our output folder. So if you so one thing we need to mention here, that if you want to modify the email body, so you can open the macro developer tab, Visual Basic, and open the macro. If you come down, so this is the macro part here. So you see subject, report, and report name, base triggers. We don't put any name here. If you say base triggers, say finance team, so after base triggers they will get this name, whatever name you want to put, who is sending the report, it will be in the email.